Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a deactivate account on the application of Temu. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of Temu and you will enter in this window. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. In this page of storage you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Temu. Temu like this. And then you will uninstall your app.